Tina and Robert Horne's mid-storm grocery run to Walmart started at 2 o'clock Thursday afternoon. It was nearly 9 p.m. by the time Porter firefighters plucked the waterlogged, scared, and worn-out couple from the 59 feeder road after their car floated in floodwaters.
I hit that water, poof, that was it.
How deep?
Car's floating.
Car was floating.
Oh yeah, car floating.
How deep?
Well, it was up here.
By the time they were rescued, Tina could barely get herself out of that rescue boat.
So I was holding him on his pants, like doing this, and he's trying to talk on the phone, and I'm like staying sideways so the current wouldn't knock me frontwards.
East Montgomery County took a beating all day as heavy rain shut down highways, trapping drivers for hours, flooding buildings from Kingwood to Splendora and everywhere in between. The flooding, which every victim we found said rose faster than ever before, forced firefighters and volunteers over flooded streets and into swamp neighborhoods well into the night. 7 hours after they started out, the Hornes were headed home thanks to a neighbor, amazingly still with their grocery bags. As the firefighters left, they told us they were racing to the next call.